Okay. So the first stage of respiration is glycolysis. So you have a glucose hexose sugar 16 and you have ATP. The ATP you remove two phosphates, which gives you two ADPs, which then gives you hexose
Biphosphate.
yeah, which is then split into two triose phosphates, which each have 3 carbons and 1 phosphate. You then add two phosphates here, which then gives you 2 ATP, yeah. And then the oxidized NAD is reduced using dehydrogenase. The triose phosphates makes the pyruvate, yeah. So then CO2 is taken out and the oxidized NAD is reduced. When you're taking out the CO2, you use decarboxylase, which then gives you
pyruvate with two carbons.
Yeah. And then that gives you
Acetyl coenzyme.
yeah, and you add a coenzyme
A.
And then the Krebs cycle. So you start with
NAD.
no, you start.
Okay, yeah.
And then you remove the coenzyme, which gives you citrate, which has 6 carbons. And then you remove the CO2 again using the enzyme decarboxylase, which then gives you 5 carbons, and the oxidized NAD is reduced by removing a hydrogen using hydrogenase. And then another CO2 is removed, which gives you 4 carbons, and the oxidized NAD is reduced by removing a hydrogen. And then FAD is reduced. FAD is oxidized, and oxidized NAD is then reduced, which gives you
The last part of respiration is oxidative phosphorylation, where the hydrogen from the reduced NAD molecule it's split into proton and electron. Yeah, and NAD is being reduced by carrier 1, which gains electrons, and NAD is also reduced by what?
a hydrogen.
Yeah, which then goes back to the Krebs cycle. And when we end up with electron, the electron combines with oxygen and hydrogen to make water. And sometimes in mitochondria there is more hydrogen on one side than the other. Hydrogen ions, which makes up electrochemical gradient.